afternoon, welcome. This is Waec 2018 Commerce Pass question. Question number 16 says, if the opening stock of Ali Limited is 40,000, cost of goods sold is 48,000, and closing stock is 24,000, its rate of turnover will be dash. A 1.2 times, B 5.2 times, C 2.0 times, D 7.5 times. The correct option here is option B, 1.2 times. When we talk of rate of turnover equal to cost of goods sold over average stock, then average stock equal to opening stock plus closing stock. Closing stock all over 2. Therefore 40,000 plus 24,000 all over 2 equal to 64,000 all over 2. 64,000 all over 2 will be equal to 32,000. Then the rate of turnover equal to 48,000 all over 32,000 will be equal to 1.5. That's why we have option B as the correct option, which is 1.5 times. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.